Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Real Techniques brush cleaner. It's a deep cleansing gel. I've never used it. This is my first time I'll be using it with you guys. And I have different kinds of brushes to see how it works on different hairs, whether it's synthetic or real hair. So let's see how that works. Yes, I have a lot of brushes to clean, don't judge. But yeah, so I'm sorry, I'm still very sick. That's why I haven't filmed, because I sound horrible. I feel horrible. But anyways, let's get back to what we were doing. So I'm just going to be reviewing this guy right here, and let's get started. I forgot to mention I'm going to be using the Sigma brush cleaning glove, just because it has, you know, everything I need to scrub my brushes. And honestly, this is like 20 something bucks. I got it at IMATS. That's the only reason I got it. I don't like paying full price for things like this, but you can find dupes for this. The oven gloves that have like a bunch of ridges on them works the same. So if you don't want to pay the full price for the Sigma one, go to your nearest Walmart or anywhere you shop that has home stuff. And the oven gloves that have the ridges are basically the same thing. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you guys a few things that the product says it does. Also, the product is 150 ml, 5.1 fluid ounces. It says that this exclusive formula, it's a deep cleansing gel. It's designed to extend the life of your brushes by removing makeup, oils, and impurities for a new brush clean. It has no alcohol or phthalates. Girl, that word right there, I don't know, but this word right there. Detoxifies and purifies, quick clean rinse. So it just says use weekly, dampen bristles in warm water, squeeze a drop of gel onto bristles, a drop, let's see if that's true, rub between fingers and rinse until clean, reshape and dry flat or upside down. So let's see, and I think they have tutorials on it on realtechniques.com if you're interested. So let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so I have a few different brushes here, you know, synthetic, natural hairs. I have a Bdellium Tools brushes, and I also have a sponge. I want to see how it works on the Beauty Blender. Just gonna open the product. Comes sealed. See if it's sealed here. It smells really nice. So I'm just going to add a drop like it says on the bottle. So I'm going to start with the Sigma Round Kabuki F82 brush. This one's really dense and I use it for foundation sometimes. It has a lot of foundation on it. So let's just see how that works. Okay, now let's try to rinse it.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in.
So my first thoughts is that it washed it not great. It still has some foundation in it. So I'm probably gonna have to go back and clean it one more time like I thought, because I haven't found a brush cleaner that cleans these brushes the first time because they're so dense. But it did a good job. The brushes smell really good. They smell like flowers, so I like that. And so yeah, let me just wash it one more time and see how it looks after that. And I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Okay, so now that I washed it a second time, I realized that the first time it actually did clean it really, really good. Problem is that this brush had foundation for a while, so it got stained, but it actually cleaned it so good. So I'm really impressed with this brush cleaner. It smells amazing, and I'm just gonna keep trying it and then I will recommend it to you guys. But let's move on to another brush and see how it cleans it. I started with this one because it was the hardest one to clean, so if it did a good job in this one, I'm pretty sure the other ones are gonna do great. Okay, so here's a Real Techniques brush. This is the buffing brush, and I just want to say also that the brush cleaner is very thick. Obviously it's a gel, so it's a gel consistency. It's really thick, so I really like that. So let's clean this one and see how great it does with this. Okay, so again, same thing with this one, it left it stained. So I don't know if it's because the actual brush cleaner doesn't have alcohol in it and that's why the stains aren't coming out, but it does clean the brushes really well. So I'm really impressed with this. I really like it. This one is the Sigma F7D concealer brush, and it has concealer in it, so let's see how it takes this one out. So what I'm seeing with this brush cleaner is that I do have to wash my brushes twice. If that bothers you, then that's probably going to be an issue with this brush cleaner. But since you have to use so little, it's not really a hassle for me. And I like to deep clean my brushes anyways twice. So that's not really an issue for me. So that's the only thing I've noticed. They smell really good. It does make them feel really soft after, and it feels like they're brand new. And yeah. So wow, this one's a Stelaza Stippling DF101 brush, and this one I cleaned the first time. So what I see here is if the bristles aren't densely packed into the brush, it cleans it very easily. So that's another thing I noticed. So here's the powder brush from Sonia Kashuk. I see that these Sonia Kashuk brushes, the same with this one I'm gonna do next, the Delium brushes, do shed a lot, certain brushes. So let's see how this one turns out. So I'm impressed it didn't even shed or anything. So that's what the brush looks like now. It's clean. Doesn't it feel like such an accomplishment when you clean your brushes? Yes. Lastly, the Delium Tools brush in 769. Okay, so this one also didn't shed, so I'm really impressed. I like this brush cleaner. Hey guys, so I completely forgot that I had said I was gonna try it with a sponge also, so let me try it out now and see how it works. Wow, so I cleaned the Beauty Blender really good. I had it dirty for like 2 weeks I hadn't cleaned it, so the foundation was on there for quite some time. And as you can see, it cleaned it really well. It just has a spot there. I probably didn't go over it because, you know, I clean it very messy, but it cleaned it really well and it feels really soft. I don't know if it's because of the gel, but the sponge actually feels really nice and soft. So if you don't get it to clean your brushes, get it just to clean your beauty blender because it's only $8 compared to the solid cleanser, which is I think $14. And this does the same thing. It does the job and it cleans it really, really awesome. So I'm kind of obsessed with this little guy right here.